Okay, we are using water only. This is a microfiber cover on a window washer. Now I'm going to do this different ways so you can see it can be done however you want to do it. As long as you don't miss any spots, you can go up and down, you can go sideways, you can move in circles. But what tends to happen is when you go in circles, you'll normally miss little bits and pieces. So I prefer to do my right hand side with my right arm and my left hand side with my left arm. Now, it's really important to agitate. So the microfiber is picking up everything. Now using a squeegee, just nothing crazy, just hold it across, nice and gentle. Remove as much water as you can without going over the same thing more than once. Then using a glass cloth, just one wipe, one time. Any bits I've missed, we'll just check. Now you're going to see me in the mirror. Not one streak left behind. You can find these window washers in all places.